Hello everybody, this is Fehmi and you are watching Fehmi's Art. You are most welcome to her world of creativity. And first of all, I thank you all for subscribing my channel. And if you are watching this for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon below for some beautiful and amazing art videos from Fehmi's. Thank you. So friends, let's start. This is the impasto painting which I am going to show it to you in my video today. What is impasto? In fine art, the Italian word impasto is a paste, denotes a painting technique in which the paint is applied so thickly like a toothpaste onto a canvas or panel, often with the palette knife, that it stands out from the surface. When using the impasto technique, the artist often mixes paints itself on the canvas to achieve the required color. And in this impasto, I use a cone too. The cone is very convenient to put the minute details in the florals in between, and it is very useful in creating stems and leaves. So, with cone and palette knife, this beautiful artwork is completed. If you have liked my impasto, please do not forget to subscribe Fehmi's Art. Friends, this is the third of my impasto series. To watch the first two, click the link given below in the description box.